Have you ever seen someone who seems refined to glance? Maybe they're holding a glass of wine at a gathering, sharing a quiet laugh, or even popping a bottle of champagne to celebrate something small. But something about the way they move or speak feels off. It's in these small moments that real elegance shows or quietly slips away. Today, we're looking at 7 habits that instantly lower your elegance and how to fix them. Let's get started. Habit 1. Over-apologizing. Saying sorry is important when we've done something wrong, but constant, unnecessary apologies lower your presence and communicate insecurity, even if your outfit and posture project confidence. Classy women know when to offer a genuine apology and when to replace sorry with thank you. For example, instead of "sorry for taking so long," you can say "thank you for waiting." This subtle shift transforms how you feel about yourself and how others see you. Remember, your presence is not a burden. You deserve to take up space with grace, and your words should reflect that. Habit 2. Walking too quickly. Classy women understand the power of measured, intentional movement. They walk with a pace that is unhurried but purposeful, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor, and their gaze soft yet focused. Slowing your pace changes how people perceive you. It signals that you are grounded, present, and not controlled by rush or anxiety. When you move with intention, you appear more approachable, and your energy invites others to feel at ease around you. Elegance is not found in hurried movements. It is reflected in calm, intentional presence. Habit 3. Interrupting others. We've all been in conversations where we feel eager to add our perspective, and without realizing it, we cut someone off mid-sentence. While enthusiasm is beautiful, interrupting others quietly lowers your elegance and can leave others feeling unheard. Classy women practice the art of listening fully before they speak. They allow others to finish their thoughts, pausing before responding, which demonstrates both patience and emotional intelligence. The ability to listen fully without planning your next sentence while someone is speaking is rare and deeply attractive. Habit 4. Overloading your look with accessories. Classy women understand the power of simplicity. A delicate necklace, a pair of small gold hoops, or a timeless watch can elevate your outfit without demanding attention. Over-accessorizing often signals a need to overcompensate or draw attention away from insecurity, while simplicity communicates quiet confidence. Before leaving your home, look in the mirror and ask yourself, does this feel balanced? Coco Chanel's advice to remove one accessory before stepping out still holds true for elegant living. Habit 5. Using negative self-talk publicly. We often use self-deprecating humor to connect with others, but putting yourself down in public, even as a joke, quietly diminishes your presence. Comments like, "I look so old today," "I'm such a mess," or "I can't do anything right," may feel harmless, but they shape how others see you and, more importantly, how you see yourself. Classy women speak about themselves with kindness and self-respect. They acknowledge their imperfections without making them the focus of conversation. How you speak about yourself sets the tone for how others will treat you. Habit 6. Ignoring posture in social settings. You may have the most beautiful outfit, glowing skin, and a warm smile, but if you ignore your posture in social settings, it quietly lowers your elegance. Slouching, crossing your arms tightly, or shrinking yourself can signal insecurity or disinterest, even when you feel the opposite inside. Practicing good posture is not about rigidity. It is about alignment with your self-worth and quiet confidence. It allows you to occupy space with grace and warmth, reinforcing the elegant energy you carry into every room. Habit 7. Forgetting the power of a genuine smile. In the pursuit of elegance, Some women adopt a stoic presence, believing it makes them appear mysterious or composed. However, forgetting to smile can quietly create distance between you and others, making you appear unapproachable. A genuine soft smile communicates warmth, kindness, and confidence. It invites others in and creates an energy of safety and openness, which are hallmarks of true elegance. Elegance is not about perfection or performance. It is about intentional habits that align your inner confidence with your outer presence. If you found value in these reminders, consider subscribing to Graceful Style 50+ for weekly videos on quiet luxury, timeless elegance, and refined living. Thank you for watching.